Estamos passando aqui no Alto Tatubiba. A Tatubiba é um dos bairros aqui da cidade mais isolado. A chuva já está mais branda. Aqui é a parte 2 da volta para casa. A chuva já passou, razoável. Aqui é o fim do Alto Tatubiba. Agora estamos indo à direção de São José do Bonfim. E como diz quase todo viajante que filma no YouTube, vamos que vamos!
Look out, here she comes, the woman that I love. It's too bad she'll never know. Yeah, I can't tell her how I feel, because she has someone who makes her happy. I'm a ghost in these walls, or at least I try to be. 'Cause I hope that I'm not showing how I feel for her, but she won't feel the same for me. I've got this picture in my mind. It's just the two of us, just the two of us. But I know I have to try to let her go, because she won't be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before, but she will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. She'll never know. It's like she stole my heart without knowing she did. But I guess that it will pass. Yeah, I can't be the only one who got lost inside the blue of those eyes. I've gotta let her go. I know it won't be easy. I wanna hold her close, but I have to try as hard as I can, 'cause she'll never be mine. I listen when she talks, I watch her when she walks. She's giving me these feelings that I've never felt before. She will never know that I love her so well. She's with somebody else and I will have to let her go. She will never know, na-na, never know, na-na. 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 She'll never know.
E essa daqui é a famosa curva do 9. Essa curva aqui é uma curva muito famosa. Fica aqui perto de São José do Bonfim, Paraíba. Essa curva aqui já matou muita gente. Muito perigosa essa aqui. O asfalto não dá o declive direito. Acaba que nós vai fazer com alta velocidade, mesmo aqui, ó. O camarada simplesmente tomba o carro e morre, a maioria das vezes. E agora estamos indo em direção a São José do Bonfim.